In this video, we'll show you how to use USB to connect your phone and computer with the Office kit. Before using, please visit pc.vivoglobal.com. Download and install the Office kit on your computer. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap About Phone. Then tap Version Info. Tap the software version 7 times. Then go back to System Management and tap it. Then tap Developer Options. Enable the developer options and USB debugging. Open the Office kit on your computer. Click Connect to Device. Choose USB connection. Connect the phone and the computer using a data cable